Welcome back to the channel. With a correct tune in place to adjust the fueling of my big bore header and catalytic combo, there was only one item left on my personal wish list for the V100, and that was a proper Tailtidy. Unfortunately, not one aftermarket company has decided to develop a Tailtidy so far, probably due to the fact that the built-in luggage system of the V100 is an integral structural part of the tail. I looked at digging deeper into the tail section before, but got discouraged by the daunting task. Fast forward, with a spill of bad weather, a few days off, and remembering a quote from an old friend that no matter how complicated it looks, in the end, it is all just nuts and bolts, I decided to give it a go and started to disassemble the tail of the V100 with the goal of a DIY Tailtidy. You can see the end result here, which basically had me remove the tail end section and plate holder, reuse the turn signals and plate illumination, and bolt it to the lower part of the luggage system, which turned out to be an almost perfect mounting solution for the turn signals. The only cutting required was on the mudguard underneath the bike, as only a short section was needed at this point. I am happy with the results. It is probably not for everyone, albeit reversible with a replacement mudguard, and if you are utilizing the Moto Guzzi luggage option, look the other way. Until next time, keep it on 2, be safe, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.